During early member hours at the San Diego Zoo, we got to watch something special. Two maned wolf pups discovering the world. These pups were born just a few months ago, and today they're starting to test their limits under the watchful eye of their father. And like any good parent, he steps in when things get a little out of hand. But it doesn't take long before the play starts right back up. What looks like play is actually practice. Every chase, every turn, every little burst of speed is building the instincts they'll rely on later in life. And through it all, Dad is always watching. They're already curious, exploring everything around them, learning their world one scent at a time. And sometimes that curiosity turns into pure play. Even the smallest moments, a shake, a stumble, a quick recovery, are all part of figuring things out. And not every move goes as planned. But step by step, they're gaining confidence. The energy comes in bursts: chase, stop, listen, then chase again. And sometimes it turns into a full-on face-off. For now, it's all play, but every moment is preparing them for life ahead. If you enjoyed this and want to support the channel, I've shared a few of my favorite images from today. There's a link in the description.